What's up, folks? Heine's Morning Update, August 3rd. Sorry, the last 2 days I've had some charting issues, but those are all fixed now. So, again, we kind of hovered in this area for a while, a lot of opens and closes in this region. Closed here, and then yesterday it just, you had the overnight, after the close, Fitch downgrade, and then all hell broke loose, so we dropped. And we dropped again last night. So overnight range 47 to 10. If we can get an opening above this 27, it should stave off death. And then we get back above, into the green here. My target today really is at 65, 67. That was a level coming down, but we pretty much sliced right through it. So I could see that as resistance or a park. 10 was the low. 10's another level I had that I was looking at, and here's your 45.10 level right here. So from kind of back, and then we have singles all the way down to this 87, 88 area, but that 87 is more important for a closing on a monthly aspect. So you got 87 down and then 70. Then we get into all this shit. So that's basically a 44.50 area, 44.45. Again, I don't see that today. If that 45.10 holds, then I think we can consolidate or head higher today. That 87 is really what I'm watching. And then if we get through that, then the 70. But I don't see us getting through those two. Again, if we can get open above 27, it should stave off some sort of death. And then 65, 67. If we get above that, then maybe that 80 level. But I probably think that, unless the number's coming out in 15 minutes at 8:30, can rally us or, drop us. But here's that 87 level. It's an open close on a monthly aspect. So that's really kind of what I'm watching, and we're not that far from it. So I could see maybe a spike down to there and then a return back up if something that we have is bearish. Here's your hourly, your pivot. Look at that, 45.10's your S1. So it bounced perfectly. Now it does kind of look like it might attempt it again. So we will see. And then you have that 86 and then 44. So 45.51's your pivot, 76, 617. So we'll see. Also a gap on the overnight from that Fitch downgrade. So that's something I'd look at too. Write that number down as 45.97 basically to see if we can't get back above that. That's kind of it. Let's check out SPX cash gaps all over the place now. So we are attempting this one down here. So you got 44.89, 44.72. Up here is 76 to 50. We left this guy, so that's 88 to 84. So there's, a couple. As of now, we're going to open up down here. So I would look at that 44.89 to be that backstop. And I think that comes close to that 45.10 on the futures aspect. So we'll see. Euro's just taking a dump. We'll see if that continues. I would assume that they're going to probably park it out the 109 and back it up, but the dollar is screaming, which is backwards of whatever the conventional wisdom is, that we got downgraded, our dollar is going to zero, and in fact it's rallied. In fact, you're at 4 months high. DXY is at 4 months high, so I'd look at that. Tilt got destroyed, so a lot of macro going on right now. I don't know what the numbers are going to be, if they even matter today. I think I don't know if we're watching these, if the market's watching these or not. Prelim, PMI at 9:45, jobless claims at 8:30, ISM services factory orders. So we could watch these numbers. They could have an effect, but I don't know. I'm not as convinced as I used to be that those mean anything anymore. I don't know what we're watching. So again, I'd really want an ES above 27. If we open up below there, then I think that opens up the door down to 87 and 70 on here. Anyway, I'll be in and out today, but stay safe. You see it, take it, and yep, stay safe.